Documents required for the USA student visa. Number 1. A valid passport. Number 2. Confirmation proof of the non-immigration visa application. Number 3. Acceptance at a Student Exchange Visitor Program that is SEVP approved university and Form I-20. Number 4. A passport-size photo. Number 5. Certificate of eligibility for non-immigrants that is F1 and M1. Number 6. Grade certificates from schools. Number 7. Test scores of English language tests as required by USA institutions. Number 8. Proof of financial support, at least $80,000 for a 2-year master course. And evidence of departing from the USA upon the completion of the course of study. For more updates and information, subscribe to our channel.